Good morning.
Morning.
We have a little vapor here. I tell you what, they're so good. So we are cooking some eggplant and sausages and also spaghetti and eggs. That's what we're gonna have. So see how we put the foil here on the vapor? So very easy to cook, and then also you don't dirty your vapor. It's a very good idea. Thank you, Eddie. And then you don't have to clean your vapor afterward. Let's connect this to the gas bottle, and it's very easy and convenient for camping actually. We do have a pull-out kitchen, but we mostly use this one because it's quite handy, you know, and less cleaning, I suppose. So highly recommended if you go camping, guys. A vapor, I might buy one and take to Thailand. Finish. Look yummy. Toast, and I like eggplant for breakfast and egg and sausages. Welcome to Cape Bench National Park. So this is a visitor center here, and right next to the ocean. Look at the colors, like turquoise. So this is the name of the center. A cool walkway. Got little birdie. You know. สวยมาก That's a big giant wheelchair there. Yeah, that's right. Should we do it? So beautiful in here. Eddie shopping again. Got lots of souvenir here. So beautiful. I want all of them. You want to go snorkeling? Got a lot of beautiful stuff here. So, oh my god, I'm gonna spend money again. See it. Very cool in here. That's big eagle. นกอินทรีนะคะตัวใหญ่มาก It's another beautiful trees, little bush one. Talia. Oh, she's leg size. So good. Park actually provided a lot of sitting areas, so you can picnic here and have something to eat. They have toilet as well. มีห้องน้ำด้วยนะคะ Talia. Hi, Eddie. The color of the ocean is very beautiful. It's actually like turquoise color. So this is the beautiful of Exmouth Ocean, guys. It's so beautiful. ทะเลสวยมากนะคะ สีเหมือนมรกตอะน้ำใสมาก ทะเลสวยมากเลยน้ำใสด้วยสีมรกตเลยค่ะสวยมาก Walk here right in the middle and then across there as well. Oh my god, look at how clear water is. น้ำใสมากทรายที่นี่สะอาดมากนะคะไม่มีขยะเลย Very nice and clean, guys, in the national park, so highly recommended. You guys love the ocean. Exmouth, beautiful place, and yeah, come for a swim. Don't scare shark very friendly here. We went and swimming yesterday, and we saw a hammerhead shark. They not even come near you. Enjoy your day, Talia? No. Oh, every time.
I work over 5 minutes.
She just doesn't like walking and don't like me to taking video of her. As you can see how clear the water is, and we haven't found very much jellyfish or anything on the beach or like a yucky seaweed, so just clear water. So it's very perfect swimming spot here in Exmouth, guys. You just have to come into the Cave Range National Park, okay? So that's what most of people come in here for swimming, and they have 40-kilometer long of a different beautiful bay, including one of our turquoise bay as well, and I'm gonna go check it out soon. So this is one of the beautiful caravan park spot in Exmouth. It's actually right in front of the beach, so you can see the track there. You just walk across, and it's a big, beautiful beach here. You can do swimming, snorkeling, and also canoe. That's the name of the caravan park. This is all the people come up to the lighthouse just to watch the sunset. This is crazy. And that's where the line for the car park is, right on the end. It just packed. We couldn't even get up there. To the sun. Yeah, there you can see it. It looks amazing. So this is stair to the sun. So beautiful. And we have a humpback whale jumping up and down as well in front of us. So it's quite amazing. Love it.